Hey everyone, want to carry multiple operating systems and recovery tools on a single USB drive? That's one of Ventoy's biggest advantages. After installing Ventoy, you can simply copy multiple ISO files onto your USB drive and choose which one to boot whenever your computer starts. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add multiple ISO files to Ventoy step by step. So let's get started. First, connect your USB drive with Ventoy already installed. Open File Explorer and locate the Ventoy storage partition. This is where you'll place your ISO files. Next, gather the ISO files you want to use. These could include Windows installers, Linux distributions, antivirus rescue disks, or other bootable utilities. Just make sure the ISO files are fully downloaded before copying them. Now drag and drop all of your ISO files directly onto the Vent USB drive. You don't need to extract the files or create separate bootable partitions. Ventoy automatically detects supported ISO files when the computer starts. If you prefer, you can organize your ISO files into folders to keep the USB drive tidy. Ventoy supports reading ISO files from folders, making it easier to manage larger collections. Once all of the files have finished copying, safely eject the USB drive before disconnecting it. This helps prevent file corruption and ensures every ISO has been saved correctly. Now connect the USB drive to the computer you want to boot. Open the boot menu, select the Ventoy USB drive, and you'll see a list of all the available ISO files. Use the keyboard to choose the one you want and press Enter to continue. And that's how to add multiple ISO files to Ventoy. With one USB drive, you can carry several operating systems and recovery tools at the same time, making installations and troubleshooting much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.